welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality video on Instagram. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. Now tap on your account. Here tap on the menu bar. Then scroll down like this. And under your app and media section you guys can find out data usage and media quality. Tap on here. After that you guys can see two options like data saver and media upload quality. If you guys want to upload at highest quality, you have to turn it, and at the top you guys can see data saver option. It will save your data and it will make your video quality low, so you have to turn it off to upload your video at highest quality. Now you guys can also use other methods to upload your video at highest quality. For example, if you want to upload a video, tap on the plus icon. Here you guys can edit the video of yours. After editing it, tap on next. After editing your post, scroll like this, and at the bottom you guys can find out more option. Tap on here. Right now scroll like this, and at the bottom you guys can find out media upload quality. Just turn it on to upload your video at the highest quality. Let's go back, and to share it, tap on share. So this is how you guys can upload your video on Instagram at high quality. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.